Imagine owning a gadget that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Today, we're diving into 5 futuristic tech gadgets that actually exist in 2025, and they're mind-blowing. Let's get into it. Gadget number 1. Timekettle WT2 Edge AI Translator Earbuds. These earbuds translate speech in real time across 40+ languages. No need to pull out your phone, just talk and listen. Perfect for travel, business, or even chatting with new people from anywhere in the world. The future of communication is literally in your ears. Gadget number 2. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. These sleek glasses let you take photos, record videos, listen to music, and even use voice AI, all hands-free. With built-in speakers and touch controls, they're like a wearable smartphone. Stylish, smart, and a huge step toward realer wearables. Gadget number 3. LARQ Bottle, Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. This bottle uses UVC light to clean your water and the inside of the bottle automatically. No filters, no batteries to replace. Just pure, clean water, anywhere, anytime. It looks sleek and keeps your drink fresh with no effort. Gadget number 4. Govee AI Gaming Light Strip. This LED strip uses AI to match your monitor's visuals in real time, creating immersive lighting effects. Great for gamers and streamers, it reacts to what's happening on screen. It literally turns your desk into a live-action light show. Gadget number 5. Anker Nebula Capsule 3 Portable Smart Projector. It fits in your hand, connects wirelessly, and delivers a crisp 1080p picture up to 120 inches. With built-in Android TV and voice control, it's like a cinema in your pocket. Perfect for movie nights, gaming, or presentations anywhere. So which of these futuristic gadgets would you want in your life? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech drops every day. See you in the future at 808 Tech Daily.